Imagine your customer scrolling through Facebook or Instagram feed. She clicks on your ad or a post with tagged products, follows to your website, explores products, and leaves. How to get her back? You can use retargeting ads, but they has disadvantages, such as additional costs, no delivery guarantees, and no personalization. Here's a better way with Wany.Chat. Use Wany.Chat auto response to lead her to Messenger before leading to your website. After that, Wany.Chat will use 24-hour window to send free reminders of visited products. Here are some advantages of Wany.Chat remarketing. Messages are free inside 24-hour window. Delivery is guaranteed, and messages are personalized. And, outside 24 hours, you can send cheap paid messages to your subscribers. Wow! This is impressive even for a robot like myself. Go to Wany.Chat to get detailed setup instructions and videos. It takes about 15 minutes to install Wany.Chat and turn your WooCommerce store into selling Chatbot. Have a nice day.